Hey kids, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are going to learn how to join 2 letters, 3 letters and 4 cursive letters. So are you all ready? So without wasting time, let's start the video. On the board you can see the formation of joining 2 letters, how you can write 2 letters in proper formation. If the child learn the correct formation of letter C, then they can easily make letters like A, D, C, Q, E, G, O and X. So let's start the video. To start the journey of cursive writing, you have to follow 3 main rules. The first rule is you have to start writing from the third line. Lowercase letters should start from third line. The second rule is you are not supposed to lift up the pencil while writing. Okay, you are not supposed to lift up the pencil. And the third rule is you have to try to write in the proper formation. Okay, follow the proper formation. Here we can learn how to join 2, 3 and 4 letter words through slant line. Children, watch the video carefully. Try to write similar word in your notebook and do practice daily. Daily practice will help you in making good handwriting. Okay, so let's see the video how we can write 2, 3 and 4 letters. Children, have you seen that? If we are able to join 2 letters properly, then we will not face any difficulties in joining 3 and 4 letters. So you just practice it daily, okay? That's it for now. Do practice everybody and we will meet in next video with a new concept. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe. Bye bye.